Welcome back to A Minute with Miranda. So we've discussed our static management program a lot lately, and bear with me because we're going to get to the main point of this and why you want it and why it's so effective. So this right here is the computer that monitors everything in here. So every workstation is routed to this. Right here is our layout for the floor plan in our EPA. So you can have it like this, or you can have it on a screen that shows every single device that is linked up so you can see alarms exactly when it comes up. Besides the visual alarm, it also notifies you here. You can comment on why it's making the alarm and how do you fix it. You can get emails, you can generate a report daily, weekly, monthly, whatever is best for your plan. And it just saves a lot of hassle because you know how to fix it and when to fix it. Stay grounded.